Everybody wants to be respected. Everybody wants their rights. And there are some people that will take it up.
Most people might not know this, but Halo Combat Evolved wasn't just a first-person shooter. It was actually 2 games in 1. You might be asking, how could
Manual recording will now start.
Idiot, in their right mind, would think that a stormtrooper cosplayer poses a real threat. You know, aside from the obvious joke that no one had any...
You know, we have wide fucking streets. So your choice is to fucking block it.
It went well beyond the mandate of just Russia. They were just digging. They were confidential informants trying to... It sounds like they're trying to set the latest dramatic turn in a years-old case full of twists and turns. In recent months, his attorneys have leveled a series of allegations about
The rest of his mouth.
The game was terrible. Video unavailable.
Because it always looks like he's laughing at something.
You gotta use your face.
Oh.
Stretch it in the thumbnail. That's what
The emulator. This one has mercury vapor inside, and the visible blue is not the ultraviolet. The visible blue is the fact that it puts out flame vapor.
To the point that they actually make it a profession.
After all, Rihanna Wu is making 40% of Barack Obama's salary for simply existing. For this harassment,
Woman to justify his terrible actions and gain support through donations. With the amount of evidence showing this dude's false flagging, how be more diverse and represent women in a way that's good without having to cave to all the ridiculous demands.
And it tipped over. I am still not sure why, but I proceeded to continue attempting to park by running over the cone. The instrument.
To say. Wanna fucking turn those off? No? Okay, fuck you too.
after Hannity all the time. And it's not even about whether or not they're a Fox News review channel. It's about how they're basically just going after Laura Ingraham and Hannity, and sometimes Tucker. It's like prime time Fox
Manual
News.
recording
It's a yield.
will now
Don't stop.
start.
Gotta play this game. YouTube will never, Google will never, Facebook, all these companies will never be able to successfully monetize
What are you doing?
off of a leftist ideology and source. And I said, the people talking about that are like a microscopic fraction of this country, and you're looking at the squeaky wheel.
Yeah.
Regular people watch Dave Chappelle and Joe Rogan. And they
Manual
are-
recording will now.
Respawn behind, above, in front, on the sides.